and welcome to Spice Dhamal. I am your host Nitin, and today what are we going to do? So we are going to do one fantastic kebab. It's a kebab made on tawa. तो तवे के ऊपर एकदम ही इजी और फटाफट होने वाला चिकन का कबाब करेंगे. चिकन तवा कबाब बोलेंगे इसको हम. और इस रेसिपी को ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता है. इसको आप रेडी करके रख सकते हो. You can keep it ready in the fridge and just make it fresh whenever guest arrives. It's a perfect snack for a cocktail party or just like having it like that. So for chicken tawa kebab, what we need, let us see. Before we start, make sure you press that red button to subscribe to the channel for fantastic recipes. Press that bell icon for the instant notification. And if you like the recipe, if you made it for your family, make sure you press that thumb icon. So chicken tawa kebab के लिए around 300 grams of chicken खीमा है, nice and soft. चिकन ब्रेस्ट का खीमा है हमने लिया हुआ. उसके अंदर सबसे पहले जाएगा लेमन जूस ऑफ हाफ अ लेमन, 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Now I am adding mustard oil, but you can add butter, you can add ghee, whatever the fat you like to make it nice and soft and moist. Then goes garam masala, mixture of red chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric. So हमारे जो बेसिक घर के मसाले होते हैं, गरम मसाला, धनिया, वही डाला है हमने. टर्मरिक ये है बारीक पिसा हुआ या बारीक चॉप किया हुआ ग्रीन चिली, गार्लिक एंड जिंजर. सो अदरक, चिली और गार्लिक को अच्छे से चॉप करके एक पेस्ट बनाई थी, वो डाली है हमने. फाइनली चॉप कोरिएंडर, धनिया, उसके बिना तो कबाब बनेगा नहीं. सम सॉल्ट फॉर टेस्ट. और ये है बारीक कटा हुआ प्याज. सो फाइनली चॉप व्हाइट ऑनियन लिया हुआ है हमने ताकि फ्लेवर थोड़ा सटल रहे. एक मीडियम साइज प्याज है, इसको भी हमने ऐड किया है इस मिक्सचर में. और हम थोड़ा सा रिफाइंड फ्लावर ऐड करेंगे बाइंडिंग के लिए. तो ये हो गए हमारे सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स. इनको अच्छे से मिक्स करना है और एक कबाब मिक्सचर अच्छा वाला करना है. पुट द मसल एंड डू द मिक्सिंग वेरी वेल. सो वेरी इजीली हमारा कबाब का मिक्सचर रेडी हो गया है. दिस मिक्सचर हैज टू बी नाइस कंसिस्टेंसी लाइक दिस. नाउ यू कीप दिस इन द फ्रिज फॉर अराउंड 20 minutes and then you fry. If you are making it for a party, you can keep it in the fridge for some hours and just before the party you can fry them. So before frying, we will just toss them into egg wash and shallow fry them. So friends, let's make kebab. The mixture is well rested. So I am using this tablespoon measure for the kebab sizes. So approximately this size. Wet your hand little bit so that it doesn't stick to your hand and press it like that. Nice and mouthful. So kebab is ready. Just place them aside on some dusted surface. Let's make one more like that. So all our kebabs are ready. They are ready to be fried on tawa. We are dusting them with little bit of refined flour so that the egg wash which we are putting will hold on to it. Now we have got around 2 eggs which we have beaten nicely. So the process going to be, we will be dipping this in the egg wash and straight away adding it to the pan for shallow frying. So let us shallow fry this tasty tawa kebabs. So pan needs to be moderately hot. We have added some oil to it. Dip the kebab in egg wash and put it for frying. Now this kebab, because the chicken is raw, will take around 3 to 4 minutes on each side on the medium heat. So this kebab is also known as chicken tikka in lot of parts. So in winter months in northern India, a lot of people have this kebab along with bread or a pav. It's a perfect snacks combination. So that will be our first batch, and then we will cook this in batches. So look at that delicious looking kebab. Let it cook little bit and then we will turn it over. So when you see the chicken has started to cook on the sides and the edges, it's time to turn the kebabs over. So with a spatula, you can just turn them. Wow! Nice and golden brown. Coating of egg. Now let them cook nicely 3 to 4 minutes on this side as well. So our chicken tawa kebabs are ready. Look how nice and golden brown they are fried with the coating of egg. Let us remove them in the plate and serve them nicely and taste it. What a simple and a delicious recipe. So that was delicious creamy kebab with a velvety coating of egg, and it's a very easy recipe. You must try it for your family and friend. घर पे बनाइए रेसिपी, हमको बताइए कैसी लगी. अगर नए हैं चैनल पे तो रेड बटन दबाइए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. ऐसे फंटास्टिक और इजी रेसिपीज हम दिखाते हैं इस चैनल पे. बेल आइकॉन भी दबाइए ताकि यू गेट अ इंस्टेंट नोटिफिकेशन. And until we meet again with a fantastic recipes like this, stay happy, stay healthy and enjoy cooking.